Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the full process of creating and customizing an About Us page in your Shopify store, step by step. Let's get started. Log into your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand side, under Sales Channels, click on Online Store, then select Pages. In the top right corner, click the Add Page button. In the title field, type About Us. Leave the template set to default template. Make sure the visibility is set to visible so your customers can see the page. Once you're done, click Save. Now go back to the online store section and click on Themes. Click the Customize button on your current theme to open the theme editor. At the top center of the screen, you'll see a drop-down that likely says Home Page. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and click on Pages. In the next prompt, click Create Template. Name the new template theme About Us or just About Us, and click Create Template. You're now editing the new About Us page template. Click Add Section from the left sidebar. You'll see a wide variety of sections to choose from, such as Rich Text, Image with Text, Slideshow, Video Testimonials, and more. Choose the sections you want, customize the content to reflect your brand story, and arrange them as you like. Once you're done customizing, make sure to click Save at the top right. Right now, the new About Us template is created, but it's not yet assigned to any page. Go back to the Shopify admin, then again to Online Store greater than Pages. Open the About Us page you created earlier. On the right-hand side, look for the Theme Template drop-down. Change it from default to your new template. About Us. Click Save. Go back to Customization and in Home Page. Choose the menu where you want to place the About Us link, such as the main menu or footer menu. Click Edit menu, then select Add menu item. Enter About Us as the name. In the link field, click Pages and choose the About Us page you created earlier. Once selected, click Add, and then hit Save menu to finish. And that's it! You've now created a fully customized About Us page, assigned it to a custom template, and added it to your store's navigation menu.